as y'all can see from the back, those were a huge amount of dolphins. Yep. Hadn't even caught a fish yet. Just got out here and the first thing I saw was dolphins jumping, swimming, and like 20 of them. So anyways, this was the York River and I did not expect to see a ton of dolphins. So pretty stoked right now. Pretty stoked. I want to get a little closer. I do know that one of the dolphins was slapping his fins pretty hard, so and it's kind of an international sign. If something slaps its fins at you, probably don't get closer. But either or, one of them looked like he was just jumping around, having a blast. Maybe the juvenile or something, I don't know. But talk about an awesome sight here at the York River. Oh man, 19 July 2019. Out here in my Hobie Revolution, about to kayak fish. Go by Nauti Fish. I was supposed to meet up with my buddy Sean, maybe Andrew, and checking out dolphins now. So, start a new dolphin business. Oh well, just had to show that awesome scene. Hope y'all like that. I know I did.